Today's topic is to print the numbers in a particular interval. Here in this method, what we are going to do here is first we are going to take the input from the user, that the starting range and the ending range from which the numbers which you want to print, and the interval, that on what basis of the numbers which you need to print. And the output of what I have used is the range from starting n plus 1 and the n. I have used the n plus 1 because in this range method what it does is it's going to include the starting element, but it's not going to include the ending element of it. So that means here in an example I have taken the 20, so it's going to include the 19 but it will not include the 20th element. So that's why we need 2 plus 1 over here, and the and it shows that on what interval you need to print it. Here I have used the 2, so I need to print every element with having an interval of the 2. As you can see, my starting range is 10, ending range is 20, and the interval is 2. So I get an output of the elements 10, 12, 15, 16, 18, and the 20.